Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video, we'll be solving another very interesting question from algebra. We have x plus 31 over x equal to 11 and it is said to find x minus 5 whole power 11 minus x minus 6 whole power 11 given that x cannot be 0. So let's get started by writing required expression equal to e. Now we are going to multiply by x both sides. So we'll write here times x. We'll write here times x. X times x is x square. X times 31 over x is 31 equal to 11x. We will write equation x square minus 11x plus 31 equal to 0. Now let's subtract 1 from both the sides. So we can write x square minus 11x. 31 minus 1 is 30. In RHS, we'll write minus 1. Now we have one quadratic expression which we can easily factorize x minus 5 times x minus 6 equal to negative 1. Now we are going to use substitution. Let us say x minus 5 is A. X minus 6 is B. So we will write AB equal to minus 1. Let's say this is equation number 1. Now I will subtract B from A. So we will find A minus B value. So I will write here A minus B, which will be equal to x minus 5 minus x minus 6. So we can write A minus B will be equal to x minus 5 minus x plus 6 plus x minus x will be over. We will get our second equation A minus B equal to 1. So we have AB negative 1, A minus B is 1. Let's check our required expression E in terms of A and B. So x minus 5 is A. We'll write here A power 11 minus x minus 6 is B. We'll write here B power 11. Now from our first equation, we can write B value in terms of A minus 1 over A. Here x cannot be equal to 5, which means A cannot be 0. So if I will write B equal to minus 1 over A over here in the required expression, we will be getting A power 11 plus 1 over A power 11. I will write here so that 1 power 11 will be 1. So required expression is A power 11 plus 1 over A power 11. And we have two equations, A minus B 1, AB minus 1. Let me write here. Required expression E equal to A power 11 plus 1 over A power 11. We have equation number 1, AB equal to negative 1. Equation number 2, A minus B equal to 1. Now I will plug in B equal to minus 1 over A over here. So I can write A minus 1 over A equal to 1. Or we'll be writing A plus 1 over A. This is equal to 1. Now this question becomes easy. A plus 1 over A is 1. We have to target A power 11 plus 1 over A power 11. I will find A square plus 1 over A square value, which will be equal to A plus 1 over A whole square minus 2. So we can write this will be equal to 1 whole square minus 2. So we'll be writing here 1 minus 2. We'll write here minus 1. So A square plus 1 over A square will be equal to negative 1. Now we'll find a cube plus 1 over a cube. So we'll be cubing both sides. I will write a plus 1 over a equal to 1. Let's cube both sides. We'll use a plus b whole cube formula. So we'll be writing here a cube plus 1 over a cube plus 3 times a times 1 over a times a plus 1 over a equal to 1 cube is 1. We'll cancel a from numerator denominator. A plus 1 over a is 1. So we can write here a cube plus 1 over a cube plus 3 times 1, which is 3, equal to 1. Or we'll be writing sum of cubes a cube plus 1 over a cube equal to 1 minus 3. Value will be equal to minus 2. So I can write here a cube plus 1 over a cube equal to minus 2. A square plus 1 over a square was negative 1. Here we have minus 2. Now we will multiply both the equations. So we will write here a square plus 1 over a square times a cube plus 1 over a cube. This will be equal to minus 1 times minus 2. Let's multiply. We are going to get a power 5 plus 1 over a power 5. Then we'll write plus a plus 1 over a equal to 2. Now a plus 1 over a is 1. So we'll be getting a power 5 plus 1 over a power 5 equal to 2 minus 1. So a power 5 plus 1 over a power 5 is 1. Now we know that a cube plus 1 over a cube equal to negative 2. We are going to consider squaring both sides so that we will get a power 6 plus 1 over a power 6. So let's consider squaring both sides. We are going to write a power 6 plus 1 over a power 6 plus 2 equal to 4. So from here we have a power 6 plus 1 over a power 6 equal to 4 minus 2. Value will be 2. Now we have a power 5 plus 1 over a power 5 1. A power 6 plus 1 over a power 6 2. We are going to multiply both the equations to get a power 11 plus 1 over a power 11. So I will write here a power 5 plus 1 over a power 5 times a power 6 plus 1 over a power 6 equal to 1 times 2, which will be equal to 2. Now we will multiply a power 5 with a power 6, a power 11, 1 over a power 5 plus 1 over a power 6, 1 over a power 11, plus cross product term will give us a plus 1 over a. RHS is 2. A plus 1 over a, this is 1. So we are getting a power 11 plus 1 over a power 11 equal to 2 minus 1. Value will be 1. And this is our required expression E. So we will write our required expression E will be equal to 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.